Hi, this is Lisa from Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable birdhouse treat favors using the Stampin Up Country Birdhouse stamp set and coordinating Country Birdhouse dies. Not only are they quick and easy, but they can be customized for a variety of occasions. So let's get started. Here are my birdhouse treat favors, and as you can see, I'm using the new in colors 2024-2026. I have Shamrock, Peach Pie, Summer Splash, Pretty in Pink, and I'm going to demonstrate with the Petunia Pop. And as you can see, they sit up like this, and you can fill these with different kinds of treats. I'm using Hershey Kisses. And just look how cute that is. All right. We're going to start with 2 of the birdhouse bases cut in Petunia Pop. Again, this is the Country Birdhouse stamp set. In this stamp set, you get the images for the birdhouse, the bird, multiple flowers, and then you have these sentiments. Hoping you have the best day ever, happy birthday, hello friend, and you get some background stamps. These are the coordinating dies. And again, what I've done is cut 2 of these in my in color cardstock. Now we also have designer series paper to match these in colors, and that's what I'm going to use on the background. Okay, I've cut both of those, and to make this sturdy, I'm attaching the designer series paper to the cardstock. And then this one, I've added the extra elements, the little holes here, and the roof. And the holes, I just use some circle punches from my stash. And the die set has the elements to make the top of the roof. So I'm just gonna add adhesive. And then attach it to this cardstock base. Again, this is Petunia Pop. I love this color. All right, so we have our front and our back. All right, for the treat part, or the box part that's gonna hold our treats, this is a piece of Petunia Pop, and it's a 3.5 by 3.5 square. I've scored this at 1 inch on all 4 sides. So what I'm going to do is take my scissors. I'm going to cut here and here. Then I'm going to turn it around on the opposite side and cut again. Now, to make my box come together easily, I'm going to miter the sides. So come here. I'm just cutting off slivers. Then I'm going to turn this around and repeat the same process. Okay, so this is what you'll end up with. Now watch. I'm going to fold on all of these score lines. And then you can see that by me modeling those edges, the box is going to quickly come together. Like that. So, what I'm going to do is add some adhesive. Now you can add snail or tearing tape, either one, to get your box to come together. So I'm just going to fold these edges in. And see, there you have your box. All right. Now what I want to do is I'm actually going to use tearing tape to make sure this stays down. So add a piece here. And then we'll attach our back. Then I'll flip this over and add another piece of tearing tape. And attach our front. Alright, now we have our Birdhouse Treat Favor base. Now we're going to decorate. Alright, I've cut an additional piece of the bottom of the birdhouse using the Petunia Pop cardstock, and I'm just going to add some adhesive to the back. And we're just going to put this on the front. All right. The great thing about the end colors is they also have coordinating ribbon. So on this one, I'm going to be using the Petunia Pop ribbon. I've already tied a bow. So I'm just going to attach it to the top. Now, I've already stamped and die cut the little bird, and I colored it using the Smoky Slate blends, and also coordinating Petunia Pop blends. The end color blends also are available in all of these colors. So I'm just going to attach my little bird. Now, one of the things I like about the die set is that there are additional dies. So we have some extra flower dies, and what I did was I die cut them in basic white, and I've added some coordinating 2024-2026 in color shimmer gems. Look how pretty they are, they're shiny, and they match all of our new in colors. So, of course, I went with the Petunia Pop. Okay, and then finally, we're going to add our sentiment, the hello friend. And so what I've done is, this is a die from the Something Fancy dies, and I thought it was perfect for the bottom of the birdhouse. So I'm going to stamp this in Petunia Pop ink with the hello friend. And then I'll add a few dimensionals on the back. And we just add it to the front. And there you have it. Look how cute that is. Look how easy it is to assemble. And then again, you just fill it with whatever treats that you like. I'm using Hershey Kisses. And you got a nice little gift for someone. So this is Petunia Pop. Pretty in pink. Peach Pie. Summer Splash. And Shy Shamrock. I hope you like my project, and I hope you give it a try. If you like stamping and card making and scrapbooking, you can find more of my projects at peanutsandpepperspapercrafting.com. You can find me on Facebook at Peanuts and Peppers Paper Crafting. You can find me on Instagram at Peanuts and Peppers Cards, and also, of course, my YouTube channel. You can shop with me at lisafleming.stampinup.net, and please be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by. Happy stamping.